Hey guys, what's up?
Here we are at the other place.
Yeah,
I know, that's what we call it here. The other place.
because it's an other place, man. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get these rocks in this bottle. Alright guys, so now RPG. Without any soda or anything.
Yeah, no tax either.
Hold back, Jeed.
This camera kind of has a scratch on it, so.
Yeah, that's why we might get a better
camera. That's always like film like this, I guess.
Alright guys,
Since it has a damn ass scratch on you, on you. I think I got Charlie's RPG. Whoa, that was far. I don't think you can see it, but it's way back there. Yeah, it's like, wait, let me see that camera. Alright, wait, Charlie. Alright, we're showing the people that it's all the way over here.
hold it, Jesse. Alright, so you stay there.
Alright, we're seeing if this goes that far, because this is not an RPG, it's just a tennis ball gun. But here we go. Oh! No, I'm pretty far. I can see, but I'm dead.
Now it's straight. Oh, that's my
They're fighting over it.
So guys, if you haven't known, me and my brother,
I'm filming, kid! As you see, well, Charlie's gonna show ya.
yeah, so guys, he actually shot me with the cameraman.
Yeah, I shot him.
Dude, it hurt.
Wait, can you even see him over there? Ah! Alright, as you can see, that kid gonna shoot. Oh! Okay! Okay, we're moving over here. As you can see, we're having technical difficulties. As you can see, Charlie is in pain. Okay, we're seeing if there's a.
Alright, so guys, we have an RPG.
This is an RPG.
It has attacking it, so it shoots, boom. It's gonna hit it out, and it's also gonna catch it. 3, 2, 3, 2.
Oh, it isn't really gonna shoot that far.
1, shoot.
Alright.
It punctured it.
As you can see, the tack is still in here. Is it good for a shot?
Or nope.
Oh,
I'd rather use the black ones.
It broke the tack. Okay. This isn't really working, kids. If you're watching this, so let me grab a camera.
No.
Okay, so we're just gonna pause the video real quick. Alright, yeah, we gotta fix this. Let's hit the cap, maybe.
Yeah, the cap it'll work.
But then it might get stuck in the cap, you know?
Then we check it out, the guy mixed was like that one time. And it got hungry in his car.
Yeah, man. You will. Oh, yeah.
Shot was across.
Alright guys, so what we did here, we flipped the bottle over and it changed out the tack and it seemed to work and it looks really cool.
Yeah.
Except it didn't do what we wanted to go like just straight like a missile.
Yeah, it really sucked because
Did you see that
X Factor in the background made out of soda?
That's gonna be our channel logo.
Alright guys, so after that amazing slow motion. Yeah.
Are you in slow-mo right now?
No.
Good. Okay, so are you filming right now? Oh, so what's up? My name's Harrison.
Alright. So guys, this is it.
This is my... How are we gonna make it?
Next is the coconut.
No, if you upload it doesn't have to be. Oh yeah.
It doesn't have to be appropriate.
If he uploads it. Whoa, look at what it did to the plastic.
Damn.
It shredded the plastic like that.
Huh.
It's crazy.
Wait, so
Why is there blue stuff in
your face looks so weird.
Alright guys, now we have the second one to shoot. Wait,
which one? Alright. Okay, hey guys, it's me. I'm filming right now, so you guys should watch this. Because we're shooting a coconut drink. See the coconut drink? Alright, see it. Alright, so this is kind of like an RPG thing. Yeah, I kind of guessed that. Because I used it last time. With the Diet Coke. That way. Oh! Oh! Whoa, wait.
Oh, the tack shredded it.
Oh my! I bet you it's in there.
No.
Oh my! OMFG!
It shot out. Look, it ripped the tape. It ripped it. It's in the. Wait, shake this. Stop.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy, people. This is real crazy. Wait, is this still recording? Yes, you think it's bad? It might be expired by a few months. Maybe a year, I don't know.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I brought that from
2017, I think.
Oh, let me see. Wait, let me.
That tastes like rust. Where'd the tack go? In there.
That's this.
Wait, what if it shot up top?
Oh, yeah, that's September 7th, 2017.
Kick it.
Alright.
It's filming?
Yeah.
Jeez, it's destroyed. Look, that's where it tacked it.
And all this other stuff? That's where the hammer is.
Went back down and he...
Whoa.
Yeah, alright, so
pull.
the hammer hit where it got owned. You can see, look, you can see the shape of the hammer. Nope. Okay, shake it.
Okay,
shake it.
Nope,
Shake it like this, Shirley.
It isn't in there.
Okay. Damn it.
Wait, where's the tack? We are looking for the tack right now.
One of us because he swallowed it. Let's go. Carson.
Ah! Wait, where's the car?
I don't know. I'm looking at an airplane.
Oh.
Well,
Wait, search the sky for an airplane, people.
Give it to Charlie, just shake.
Alright, who's gonna film next? How do I stop this? We're also get a tripod for this camera.
Oh yeah, man. I should get a YouTube camera. Shoot.
No, wait for me to get down here.
Alright, you see what?
Yes, go. Wait, look at. Yo! Right beneath the tape actually helped reinforce it, dude. Because it snapped right on the tape line.
Oh my! Alright, where's the puncture? Oh, it's in there! Oh my god.
Guys, the tape actually helped reinforce.
That's cool.
Just barely any tape helped reinforce the can.
Oh my gosh.
Just enough.
If we get